Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your Dell laptop. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead over to your search bar and type down Microsoft Store, okay, in here. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and pin Microsoft Store right here under your taskbar. So you can just easily click on it and it will open up automatically. So I'm just going to right click on it and click on pin to taskbar. Like so, as you can see here we have it. So I'm just going to tap away and click on Microsoft Store. Wait for it to load. And if it's your first time using the Microsoft Store, you can go ahead and go to the top right, or there will be a pop-up that asks you to log in. Okay, just log in. If not, go to the top right again and just sign in. Okay, and once signed in, I'm going to go ahead and show you some apps right here. We have trending games and trending apps. Okay, now let's say I'm going to go ahead and download Facebook. Okay, I'm going to hover over Facebook and you will have the get button right here. Just basically click on get. All right, now wait for the process to finish. Now while it's downloading, you could also download apps and games using your favorite browser. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and find Roblox right here. Roblox. Hit on enter. Now let's go ahead and click on download Roblox. As you can see, you can just click on download to a Windows app right here. Follow simple prompts, and after that, Roblox will be installed. Now, as you can see here, Facebook is downloaded. We can just click on it and click on open. Or if not, you will be given a shortcut where you can go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Facebook, like so. And here we have the app. If you want to, you could go ahead and pin this one to your taskbar as well. All right. Now click on open right here, or just click on Facebook on your taskbar, wait for it to open, and then here you can just easily log in, type down your email or phone number and password and just log in. All right, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.